Hi guys, so this week we're looking at ordering and comparing numbers up to 100,000. So here's just a little reminder of what you're going to need to be able to do that. So the first place to start is with our place value. Now let's say I write down the number 23,451. Now we've been working on being able to label each of these columns so they represent the right place value. So what would this column be worth? Well, this one, as we know, would be our ones. Moving along to this column, we've got our 51, so if this is 50, this will be 5 lots of 10. Moving along to here, we've got our 451, so this is in our hundreds column. Moving on again, come to our 3000s column, and this tricky one that we've been working on for the past few weeks is our tens thousand column. So 10,000 columns. So we've got 2 lots of 10,000, 3 lots of thousands, that's our 23,000, 4 lots of hundreds, 4 lots of 100, 5 lots of 10, and 1 lot of ones. That gives us 23,451. So bear this in mind when you're ordering and comparing your numbers this week. Now let's have a look at comparing. So let's go with these two numbers. I'm going to go with 15,032, and I'm also going to go for 15,142. Now, if you remember from my class, we looked at a little trick for this, and that little trick was to always start from the left when comparing these numbers. So we're going to start on the left with this number. Now this one, if you can remember, what column would that fall into with our place value? Think back to our previous sheet. Well, that would be our 10,000s column. And this one over here would also be our 10,000s column. So let's have a look. This one has 1 lot of 10,000, and this number has 1 lot of 10,000. Which one's bigger there? Well, they're both the same so far, so let's go on to the next digit. Now this digit falls in our thousands column. Over here we have 5 lots of 1,000, and over here we have 5 lots of 1,000. So which one's bigger there? This 5 lots of 1,000 or this 5 lots of 1,000? Well, again, they're both the same, so we have to move on to our next column. Now this column, as we just looked, is our hundreds column. Over here we have no hundreds, and over here we have 1 lot of 100. Which one's bigger out of these two? No hundreds and 100. Well, it's the 100, isn't it? If you have nothing over here and 1 lot of 100 over here, this one is clearly bigger. So we have 1 10,000, 1 10,000, 5,000s, 5,000s, no hundreds, and 100. So we can stop there because we can clearly see that this number is bigger. Now we can put a little symbol in between here to show which one's bigger. Now if you remember, we have 3 symbols. We have this one, and this one. This is our more than symbol, this is our equal symbol, and this is our less than symbol. Okay, and the best way of picturing these is that the crocodile with its open mouth always eats the larger number. So here, this is our large number, so in between them I'm going to use my less than symbol, so I can read this sentence, this number sentence, like this: 15,032 is less than 15,142. Now just a quick bit of advice before we finish. My special tip was always start from the left. So if I gave you another quick 2 numbers, let's say 23,001 and 4,900, if I start straight from the left and I go, well, this one's got a 2 here and this one's got a 4, this one must be bigger. But be careful, because as I said, use your place value. Okay, and you'll know that this one over here is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and over here we have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens thousands, 10,000s. So if we do start from the left, you'll see that this is 2 lots of 10,000, and this is only 4 lots of 1,000. So even though this digit is bigger, because it's in the thousands column, it's not got the same, it's not got a bigger value than this 2, because this 2 is in the 10,000. So here, I'd use my more than symbol. So remember guys, use your place value and try and remember these 3 symbols that we've been practicing.